Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a very simple, easy low braided bun which you can style at any occasion, like if you're a guest at a wedding or any party, Indian party, and it is very simple to do. And so let's get straight into the video. So the basic things that you're going to need for the bun is a comb, a donut bun, and a rubber band and a few pins. Let's get straight into the video and I'll show you what I do at the back. So comb your hair so that it's tangle free, as I tell you in every video, and then I'll show you the braid. So I'm going to do a French braid at the front so that it looks nice and really good. So for that braid I'm going to take an inch section and then divide it into 3 parts, and then I'm going to start with adding the hair from one side, from the front, and then repeating the same steps and adding the first section from the back of my head, and then again adding from the front only, as I just want to frame my front hair and not from the back. So I'm just going to repeat the same steps, adding the hair from the front to my braid. As you can see, I'm just repeating the same steps. I'm going to fast forward that, as it's just a normal French braid, but instead of adding hair from both sides, I'm adding only from the front. And then I'm going to do the braid till the end, only at the side, at one side only. So make sure that your braid is really tight, and then secure it with the rubber band at the end, and then just loosen it up a bit to make it look voluminous and bigger. You just have to pull a few pieces outwards from your braid and just see that it's nice and tight. So my braid is done now. So I'm going to show you what I do with all the other hair. So I'm just going to make a ponytail from my hair at the center of my head. You can just do it either a low bun or maybe at the center. So I'm going to make a tight ponytail, leaving the braid aside, and then making it tighter, and then putting on the donut. As you can see, I'm going to put the donut around my ponytail and then fix it with U-pins. I don't want the bun to lose its grip, so I'm going to add a few U-pins around the donut, and then I'm taking my braid that I left and wrapping it around the donut as a base. So I'm pinning the braid in place with some bobby pins. And now I'm going to take all the hair and comb it so that there is no knots in my hair. And then I'm going to start doing a French braid of all this hair. And I'm going to do the same French braid that I did at the front. So I'm taking a 1" section and then dividing it into 3 parts, and then adding hair from one side. And you have to make sure that your braid is tight and in the center, so that when you do it later on it doesn't fall off. So see, I'm just adding hair from one side, that is from my left side, and then braiding a French braid. And while doing the braid at the back, you also have to make sure that you are not getting any extra hair in your way, otherwise it would be really messy and it won't come out the way it should. So make sure that you're doing a tight French braid and there is no extra hair in your way. And then adding the last piece in my hair and then doing the regular 3-strand braid till the end of my hair. And if you have a layer cut in your hair or any other haircut, then a few pieces might come out from the braid, but that's fine, you can just pin that up. And now I'm going to loosen up the strands a bit and then wrap it around my donut so that the whole donut is covered with my braid, and pin it up in place. And make sure that you have covered up your donut completely and it is not visible from behind, and then just pin everything in place. And as you can see, I am now having a really nice braided bun, and it has really nice texture to it. So I hope you have enjoyed and you'll recreate this bun, and if you do let me know. And now I'm adding a floral accessory to it to make it look fancy and accessorize it with some floral pieces. I really love the way it came out, really chic, nice. And I'm just checking if there is any extra pieces. And the lines and the texture that it has given to my bun, I really liked it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if you If you're new to this channel, do subscribe and comment below what else would you like to see, and like and share. Thank you. Bye.